Is the current state of cancer treatment satisfactory? Could we be on the verge of a breakthrough? The fight against cancer has always been a complex and constantly evolving battlefield. Traditional methods like surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation have been the mainstay for decades. But like all weapons, they come with their own set of limitations. They can be harsh on the body, and not all patients respond to them effectively. In recent years, immune-based therapies such as CAR or chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy have shown potential. These therapies arm the body's own immune cells to fight cancer. However, their success has been limited, particularly against many types of solid tumors. For instance, therapies like CAR T-cell treatment have had significant success against liquid tumors, such as leukemia spectrum cancers, but long-term remission remains elusive for many patients. The quest for a more effective cancer treatment continues, and recent research might just lead us to that. Scientists at UC Davis Comprehensive Cancer Center have made a potentially game-changing discovery. So what's this all about? It's about a protein on a receptor, specifically the CD95 receptor, that can trigger the death of cancer cells. Intriguing, isn't it? But let's break this down a bit more. First off, what is a receptor? It's a protein within a cell that receives and transmits signals. Think of it as the cell's communication device, allowing it to understand and respond to its environment. Now, the CD95 receptor is a special kind of receptor. It has been dubbed the death receptor. Sounds ominous, right? But don't be alarmed, this is actually good news in the world of cancer research. The CD95, or death receptor, has a unique ability. It sends a signal that causes cancer cells to self-destruct. That's right, this receptor has the power to tell cancer cells to end their own existence. This is where the term kill switch comes into play. The protein identified by the researchers at UC Davis can activate this kill switch, programming the cancer cells to die. The potential of this discovery is enormous. Previous efforts to target this receptor haven't been successful, but now, with this newfound target, the therapeutic path forward looks promising. Joginder Tushir Singh, an associate professor in the Department of Medical Microbiology and Immunology and senior author of the study, shares this optimism. According to him, future cancer drugs could potentially boost the activity of these CD95 receptors, creating a new weapon in the fight against cancer. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While this discovery is indeed exciting, it's important to remember that there's still a long road ahead. More research is needed to fully understand the potential and limitations of this kill switch. But for now, the discovery of this death receptor and its potential to program cancer cells to self-destruct brings a glimmer of hope in the battle against this devastating disease. This discovery could change the face of cancer treatment, but how? We'll delve deeper into that in our next segment. Stay tuned. The kill switch discovery could be the key to unlocking a new era of cancer treatment. This new finding gives us a fresh perspective on how we can potentially combat this deadly disease. The potential here is immense, and it's all about the CD95 receptors, or as they are more chillingly referred to, the death receptors. These receptors are not new to us. In fact, they've been around for a while, but what's exciting is the possibility of using these receptors as a potent weapon against cancer. Researchers are buzzing with the idea of future cancer drugs that could boost the activity of these receptors. The aim is to weaponize these death receptors to trigger the self-destruction of cancer cells. This could be a game changer. Until now, the main forms of treatment for cancer tumors have been surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. While these methods have their merits, they also have their drawbacks, and not all patients respond favorably to these treatments. But what if we could make the cancer cells self-destruct? That's where the kill switch comes in. By activating the CD95 receptors, we could potentially cause the cancer cells to implode from within, sparing the patient from the harsh side effects of traditional treatments. What's more, this could also mean a significant breakthrough for therapies like CAR-T, which have shown promise but have been limited in their effectiveness against many types of cancer. The kill switch could transform these therapies, turning them from moderately successful treatments into potentially highly effective ones for solid tumors. This is not just about eliminating the cancer cells. It's about making immunotherapies more effective. It's about giving patients a better chance of long-term remission. And most importantly, it's about saving lives. The kill switch offers a glimmer of hope, a possible one-two punch against tumors. The future of cancer treatment could be on the horizon.